Disney Springs just changed the game. Literally, a massive 2-story 63-game beast just opened up, and it is nothing like anything else in Walt Disney World. But is it a real game changer or just a massive waste of your money? Let's find out. And stick around because I'm going to tell you exactly who should absolutely skip this place to save their wallet. If you want the real truth on Disney attractions without the corporate fluff, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us keep doing this. Welcome to Level 99. I've been digging through the official specs, interviews, and verified launch details to give you the no BS story on this place. It is the most ambitious social gaming venue to hit Disney Springs in years. Think escape room intrigue meets obstacle course adrenaline. We are talking 63 different challenges, physical, mental, skill-based. You walk in, grab a team of 2 to 6 people, and you play. No ride lines, no fast passes, just pure, chaotic social competition. This 46,000 square foot space is a hybrid, arcade, escape room, art gallery. Each challenge room is accessed through a unique door that looks like a miniature attraction facade. Magician theaters, shrines, circus stages. And inside, there are over 40 original art pieces. Some of them even have hidden glyphs you can hunt for to unlock prizes. Let's talk numbers before we go further. A lot of you are asking if Level 99 is worth it compared to a standard theme park day.
Well, is it?
Here's the straight answer. It is not a theme park. It is a social gaming venue, designed primarily for adults and teens. You trade roller coasters for obstacle courses. You trade ride queues for leaderboards you can actually climb. The footprint is massive, high ceilings, lots of sightlines. But here's the catch nobody mentions until they step inside. The layout is intentionally maze-like. If it's your first time here, you will get turned around. That is by design. And it works until your group starts arguing about which hallway leads to the ninja course. To get the executive breakdown on crowd flow, capacity limits, and why Disney spent years hunting for a venue exactly like this, here's Vice President of Disney Springs, Debbie Hart, and Level 99 CEO Matt DuPlessie. The real details come right after their sit-down.
When we were out looking for something for Disney Springs, we realized we needed something that was unique that we didn't have, and this is something that is truly different. It is a perfect fit. When you think about what you do at Disney Springs, you shop, you dine, and you play, and this is all about play. It is so much fun, and it is a place where you will bond with the people that you connect here with, and you will have the best time. Level 99 is a perfect fit for Disney Springs because it is unlike anything we have here at the Walt Disney World Resort. It is truly different. People don't know what they're going to experience until you come in here and you actually do it, but it is full of fun, full of an opportunity to connect. You'll put your phone down, you won't even know how much time went by, and you will be walking away with a smile and memories that will last a lifetime.
But Disney Springs is a perfect fit for the energy of Level 99. The clientele that's here, not to mention the traffic, these are people who are mentally engaged, socially engaged, physically engaged, and looking for something, a reason to get off their couch, get off their phone, and come out and do something real with real people. It's a perfect fit for Level 99. When you come into Level 99, you buy a ticket for time, it's one price, and you get to play 63 different challenges. Some very physical, like Ninja Warrior obstacle course games, some very mental, like you're solving a logic puzzle together. You play in small teams of 2 to 6 of your friends or family in one different themed environment after another, encountering surprises around every corner. We also have craft food and beverage, amazing menu, and the entire space is decorated with 50 pieces of local and internationally produced artwork. So it's a gallery to experience as you explore.
All right, back to reality, because if you read the hype train online and just roll up without watching this part, you're gonna get burned. First, pricing. It's steep. You're paying for time, not unlimited access. The old DisneyQuest model lets you stay all day. Level 99 gives you a set window. If you like to linger at one game for 45 minutes while your friends wait on the couch, that clock keeps ticking. The math works best if your group actually rotates games. If you treat this like an arcade night, do the math first. Second, requirements. You'll sign a waiver before entering, period. If minor's a year party, the rules are strict. Kids 10 and under must have a paid adult playing inside the rooms with them. Ages 11 through 15 need an adult physically present and reachable by phone. 16 and 17-year-olds just need a pre-signed waiver from a parent. Pro tip, do it online ahead of time. The check-in desk gets backed up fast on weekends. And leave the fashion sneakers at home. Closed-toed shoes are strongly recommended. Some of these obstacle challenges will eat canvas tops alive. Third, accessibility. This is where they actually nailed it. Over half the games are fully accessible. Every room has clear labeling for physical requirements and skill level. Staff actively guide guests to suitable challenges instead of letting you wander into something your knees can't handle. There's session pausing built into the system. You can pause your play timer for up to 30 minutes to eat or drink without losing time on the clock. Now let's address the elephant in the room. The top complaint floating around Reddit right now. Why is this so expensive for what you get? Fair question. Here's the straight answer. You're paying for curated space, premium food, localized artwork, and staff management of a massive facility. It's not going to be cheap. But if your group actually plays, if you rotate, compete, and keep moving, the per-minute cost drops fast. If you stand around taking photos between games, yeah, do the math elsewhere. Now let's talk food and drink. We're not talking arcade hot dogs here. Detroit-style pizza, Wagyu burgers, craft cocktails. I pulled the actual menu to see exactly what they're serving, and yes, drinks are allowed in most game areas. You can order from a central 2-story bar, a kitchen window, or mobile beverage carts on the second floor. This is a full kitchen and bar operation inside a gaming venue. That changes the whole vibe. So who should skip this place entirely? Listen closely because I said this at the top and I meant it. If you're visiting Disney Springs with kids under 10, if you want an all-day passive experience without a clock watching your back,
Get off my back!
or if your group refuses to actually play competitive games, stay home. The maze layout will stress you out, the waiver wall will annoy you, and you'll leave wondering why the bill was double what you budgeted. But if you bring teens, bring a group of 4 to 6 adults, bring a competitive spirit and a flexible schedule, you're going to have one of the best nights of your Disney Springs trip. And if you're planning a trip and need free, easy-to-use planning tools, head over to AmericanTravel.fun. No downloads, no signups, just free web tools to help you crush your vacation planning. And let me know down in the comments, do you think this is finally a good replacement for the DisneyQuest? And if you want to learn more about making the most of your Disney World trip, click one of the 2 videos on your screen right now. I'll see you there.
Don't leave me hanging, don't scroll away. Join the crew, make it official today. You gotta hit it, subscribe, get with it, and smash that bell till the notifications swell. I said hit it, subscribe, get with it. Ring the bell icon, let them know we on.